Guys, I just found an app where you can have your own ringtones. So you search up Garage Ringtones, and you see this one right here, and then you download it. And if you want to have this app and make your own like ringtone, then you have to have Garage Band, this one right here. If you don't have that, then download this. Okay. And then you're going to go to this app, and then see there's heaps of stuff, and then you can press. But there is, when you go in it, there's like this. But you see this, it says limited version. You're going to press on that, and then you can have this. And then you are gonna like screen record your song, like maybe this. You're gonna screen record a song, and then once you have that song in your photo gallery, then you see this little plus button. You're going to press on that, then press video library, and then you press on the video. And then after that, like see, for example, I'm going to press, what do I want? This of my brother. And then it's going to go like that. You just got to be patient. Okay, and then there's the thing that says so you can listen to it, and then you press set ringtone, and then you go to GarageBand, and then here are all your projects of all your ringtones that you've made so far. And then you're just gonna wait until your ringtone comes up. So look, it's loading. Alright. Then you're gonna press create song right here. Oh, no, don't press on that. Go back to recent. And then you're going to press on your most recent project. And then you're going to press share down here. Then you're going to press ringtone. Then you can name your ringtone like anything, like hi or hello. Anything. I'm just going to name this hello as an example. And okay. Then you press OK. Then you wait. Okay, then you press use sound as you can press anything, maybe your standard ringtone. And then you're done. There you have it, your ringtone.